Assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making chickpeas and potato chaat, a famous Indian Pakistani snack. You're really gonna enjoy it. Gonna serve it with 3 different sauces. Let's get started. For the plum sauce, I've got here dried plum, which was soaked in water. It's better to soak it overnight, so you can get all the fruit. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mash it, get all the fruit. As you can see, our sauce has thickened a bit. Look at that. I'm just gonna leave the seeds inside. It's gonna develop that flavor. I'm just gonna add a bit of sugar in there and give it a good mix. So the sugar is gonna just take out of the sourness a bit. It's gonna enhance the flavor. In that, I'm just gonna add a touch of salt as well. There you go, perfect. And just give it a mix. Our beautiful sauce is done. Look at that. Alright, so grab a bowl like this one. And what I'm gonna do is I've got here a potato here. This is a boiled potato. So I'm just gonna cut it, remove the skin, and then nice and easy, I'm just gonna chop it here. And then I'm just gonna add it straight in there, okay? Now let's add in the chickpeas. These are boiled chickpeas. I'm just gonna throw that in there. Now I'm just gonna throw in a bit of spice. There you go. And now we're gonna add this beautiful plum sauce that we made. So I'm just gonna give it a good mix again. And it goes. Give this a really good mix. Just slowly. Look at that. Add this onto your plate here. Just gonna add that in. Look at that. Oh, so good. Alhamdulillah. We got our delicious sauces here. Bismillah. So there you go. First, I'm just gonna add a bit of plain yogurt. Look at that. Just a little bit more. Make it nice and creamy. Now I'm just gonna add our other sauce. Finally, I'm just gonna add a bit of the salad we made. Just gonna add it here, yeah? Just like that. Touch of that spice on the top. And you're ready to go. Look at that. Is there a helicopter? So loud. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Looks delicious. Bismillah. Wow, so nice. Oh, the fruitiness of the plum, so good. Very, very tasty. Along with those onions and cucumber. Oh. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.